How to make a tea. Step 1. Take the fry pan and put it on the gas. Step 2. On the gas. Step 3. Take the water into a cup. Step 4. Take the cup and pour the water into the fry pan. Just like this. Step 5. Take the tea and pour it into the fry pan. Step 6. Take the sugar and put it into the fry pan. Step 7. Take the ginger and put it into the fry pan. Step 8. Let the water boil. Step 9. Take the milk and pour it into the cup. Step 10. Take the cup of milk and put it into the tea. Step 11 is to see that the gas is full and just wait for it to come up. To make bread in this Usha toaster. Step 1. Plug in the wire. Step 2. Take your bread and put it inside the toaster. Step 3. Switch on the toaster. Step 4. Take this butter and push it down. Now you have to see the dial. If you want the perfect, take the dial into the middle of 3 and 4. Now wait 2 minutes. See how the breads are toasting. Now 2 minutes have done and the breads are ready. See, it's perfect. Now close the button and done. Put it out and you have to do nothing else. Spread the butter on it. Just like this. Now your breads are ready with the tea.